Day 2 of the landscape project that time forgot. See what we can accomplish today. Mostly this will be a task of weed abatement. See if we can get the front planter bed all clear here. Maybe put in a couple more shrubs, we'll see. Anyway, see how far we get. Other than that, talk to you later. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What are you gonna do? Yeah, that's what I thought. Day 2, weeding operations. Day 2 of weeding. Glad I don't do this for a living. Got most of the front area cleared. Ready to start working on the rock border. Also got to put in a drain trench from a catch basin yet to be installed over there by that rock wall. A little bit of raking and top dressing to be done here, but the whole planter's largely weed free at this point. Far side over there, still more work to be done, but like I said, this is the landscape project that time forgot, and I'll keep after it. But kind of a pretty day in SoCal. Nice view of the mountains, a little bit of snow left from the storms the other day. Nice blue skies. Not such a bad place to be quarantined. Anyway, ta-ta for now.